Dear friends, today we will discuss question number 2, that is Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Now the solution will be Now, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Now, the total he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. He wishes complete 10,000 runs. Okay, and he has scored 6980 runs. That means we have to subtract 6980 from 10,000. Therefore, he has so far scored. He has so far scored 6980. That means we have to subtract 6980 from 10,000. If we subtract the number, that is 0, 8, 2, 10, 0, carry on 6, 1, 7, 3, 3020. That means he need only 3020 runs to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Therefore, the answer will be he needs 3020 more runs to complete 10,000 runs, right? To complete 10,000 runs. This is the answer, right? Therefore, you see this one, that he wishes to complete 10,000. He has so far scored 6980 runs. That means you have to subtract 6980 from 10,000. Subtracting, we are getting 3020. Therefore, he needs 3020 more runs to complete 10,000 runs. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.